Welcome to Top 5 Everything.
Top 5 Longest Railway Platforms in the World. Number 5. Bilaspur Railway Station, 2,631 feet. Railway station of Bilaspur has the fourth longest railway platform in India and fifth in the world with total length of 2,631 feet. It is headquarters of Southeast Central Railway in the Indian state of Chhattisgarh. Number 4. State Street Subway, 3,501 feet. The State Street Subway in Chicago, Illinois, in the U.S., is the fourth longest railway platform in the world at 3,501 feet long. Its construction began in December 1938, after the city of Chicago successfully applied for a federal grant and loan from the Works Progress Administration. Number 3. Gorkpoor Junction Platform, 3,519 feet. In the Indian state of West Bengal, Gorkpoor Railway Station has the longest railway platform measuring 3,519 feet. It is the third longest railway platform in the world and has previously for many years been the world's longest. After remodeling, it was inaugurated on October 6, 2013. It has platforms number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Number 2. Kollam Junction Platform, 3,873 feet. Kollam Junction is situated in the Indian city of Kollam in the state of Kerala. It is the second largest railway station in the state after Sharanur Junction in terms of area occupied. It has the world's second longest railway platform at 3,873 feet and is one of the oldest railway stations in India. Number 1. Gorkpoor Railway Platform, India, 4,483 feet. Gorkpoor Railway Station has the longest platform in the world since October 2013. It handles over 189 trains on a daily basis and serves 10 local railway stations. Initially, the meter gauge rail was divided into three, the 135-mile meter gauge Gonda loop, running between Gorkpoor and Gonda. Please share if you like this video and subscribe to watch more.